Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the latest Zalando promo codes to save big on your next order, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to unlock a Zalando discount code completely free so you can shop smarter and spend less. Grab your mobile phone, whether you're on iPhone or Android, it works the same. Head to the website I've linked in the pinned comment below. Use the search bar and type in Zalando. Click on Zalando, scroll down, and you'll see a list of available promo codes. Hit the Show Coupon button to reveal your personal discount code. These Zalando promo codes are limited and updated regularly, so make sure you unlock your code quickly before it expires or gets used by someone else. If you want instant access, check out the pinned comment below. I've explained exactly where you can grab your Zalando promo code today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more shopping hacks, and share it with friends who love saving money online.